Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this so simple, so basic caul pattern. It's so simple. We make only slip stitches, only make chains in that caul. It's so simple. I use here wool yarn. This yarn size category is 5 and I use 9mm hook. If you use like me these thick yarns, you can crochet it nearly in 2 hours and it will so warm and cozy neck warmer and caul, which you want to say that. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple and cozy crochet neck warmer or caul. Let's start crochet. We prepare a rectangle piece, and this piece for an adult nearly maximum 30 centimeter, and the height is nearly 60 centimeter. Okay, 58, 60 is enough. If you want to make it for a child, you need to turn this rectangle piece, turn all around your neck easily. Okay, not so tight. I use here 25 stitches plus 1, 26. If you use like yarn me, size category is 5, you can use 25 chains, 26 chains. But if you use more thinner yarn, you will measure your chains until you have minimum 28 centimeter. Okay, if you want to make it more wider, you need more chains, of course. This is so simple. I will show you a little sample for that. First of all, make a slip knot. Then make your chains loosey. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, it's enough for show the pattern, because here is not a pattern actually. Then turn your chains and you can see that back loops here. Not use this very first, skip that very first and start from the second. Insert it, grab your yarn and slip stitch. Insert the next one, grab your yarn, slip stitch. Insert here, grab your yarn, slip stitch. That's the pattern actually. Always make slip stitches. Here, and this is last one. I will show you how you can start the second and the other rows. It's so simple. Chain 1 and knot count and turn your work. From the first stitch you will insert your hook both loops, grab your yarn and again make your slip stitch. But the next stitches until come to the last one, you will always take one loop, this back loop. Okay, grab your yarn and make slip stitch. Back loop, grab your yarn, slip stitch. Back loop, slip stitch. Back loop, slip stitch. Back, slip stitch. Back, slip stitch. When you come to the last, take your both loops and again make slip stitch. Chain 1 and knot count. First one, take both loops and make slip stitch here. But the next stitch you will always use back loop. Okay, that's it. So you will take this looking like that. I complete my rectangle piece. I will crochet it nearly 60 centimeter. After turn to you and we join them together. I complete and turn to you. We prepare a rectangle piece. This width is 28 centimeter and the height is 58 or 60 centimeter. You can prepare it. You can adapt it easily for child or anyone. These measurements for an adult. Okay, then we will join two sides together like that, and I will join them together. Insert the first stitch here, make slip stitch, then insert front loop and insert here front loop, back loop, sorry, then make slip stitch, take one loop here, take one loop here, make slip stitch. I will join it like that until come to the end. I complete and turn to you. Come to end. Last stitch, I take both loops and finish with again slip stitch, chain one, and locked my stitch and cut my yarn. Hide my tails. And again finish that. That's my front side. Both sides you can use it. This is our joining part. I want to add this piece because I want to make it two colors together. This yarn is so beautiful. You can see that this is wool. I think it's very warm and cozy. I hope you like it. It's so simple and you can do that easily. You can make it in nearly 2 hours if you use like thick yarn like me. This yarn category is 5 and I use 9mm hook. I hope you like it and you will try that. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also you can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.